everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking in Love, and today I'm making you something that is very delicious, that takes a little bit of time, that's something if your friends come over, you want to impress them, you make this, or they're going to be impressed times 1,000. Sigla! So what are we going to be making today? We are going to be making hot dogs in Pan Brioche, translated in brioche bread. Now, kids will love it as much as the adults because like so good. What is Pan Brioche? It's a sweet savory dough that is cooked with the hot dogs in the oven, but you'll understand once I get into making it. But anyway, the ingredients are, now for the Pan Brioche dough, you need 330 grams of flour, 00 type, 160 milliliters of milk, 7 grams of salt, 1 full egg, 3.5 grams of yeast, 7 grams of honey or sugar, and 50 grams of butter. And then we need hot dogs as necessary. Right now I'm using 4 just in case. Now I'm going to start cooking now, but before I do that, I'm going to say that it's nearly Christmas. This year went so fast, and right now since we started decorating and stuff like that, and we're preparing fantastic Christmas dishes, sweet, savory, all the wonderful stuff. But anyway, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, we're going to mix flour with yeast and milk. So the steps are flour, obviously in here, then yeast, then honey, and then milk. So let's start by putting in the yeast, the honey, and the milk little by little. Make sure you're tuned in and subscribe to my channel because you're going to get bombarded with Christmas dishes, trust me. Let's add our egg. And mix until the egg absorbs. The egg's absorbed? I think I meant the eggs are absorbed. It's the other way around. Also, I'm sorry if you hear background noise because I'm doing the laundry while doing this. Okay, so now for the butter, I'm going to want to melt this for 5 seconds. So into the microwave. Just 10 seconds. And then mix with a spoon, which I'm going to get. You don't want the butter fully melted, you want it creamy because it's much easier to absorb with the flour. So now, the salt. Let's mix this, and once we finish mixing, we're gonna transfer this into our wooden top and start using our hands. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer this. Now I know when you're working with the hands, it's gonna be a little messy because we're working with butter here, so, but we can deal with it. When it's smooth, you know it's ready. After that, make it to a ball, slap it, and then into here for 30 minutes. Resting time. Cover this up. and we're good to go. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. I'm currently preheating my oven to 180 degrees. In the meantime, let's prepare our dough. So, a little bit of flour. Okay, maybe a little more. And then a little. So let's take out our dough. It's nice, soft. Now we use this, which I put a little flour on, to roll into a square. Okay, so this is how I want to do it. We've got a hot dog. Obviously this is my way of doing it, but each of you have a different way. And I'm going to cut across here. And then another hot dog. So I finished rolling them out. In total I used 8 hot dogs. And I also used smoked hot dogs, which gives that extra little taste. So now, what I'm going to do is cut them into 4. Just like that. Vertical. Whoops. Let the knife do the work. So once you've finished putting all on your pan, wait for 15 minutes and then straight into the oven. Okay, so 15 minutes have passed by. I'm going to put these in the oven. That's one. Cook these until they're nice golden brown. You don't want to overcook them because that would just be bad. They'll be too bready because Pan Brioche is nice soft bread. Check every 5 minutes just to make sure you know. But yeah. So here I have my hot dog in Pan Brioche finally finished. You see, this is the Pan Brioche. I mean, look how soft it is. Nice. So let's try. Wow. The smokiness, I use smoked hot dogs, and the smokiness on this is, oh. Now, you don't need ketchup if you want, but I'm gonna try because why not? But anyway, I have to end the video here. These were amazing. These really go well with appetizers. Even when you're watching a movie, me and Brandon's gonna enjoy this. I know that for sure. But anyway, I hope you all love this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, press the like button and that notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. Alle prossima, ciao!